All right, at our focus this Sunday afternoon, heavy rains have lashed out in Mumbai since Saturday night and has intensified on Sunday morning. The Met Department has predicted heavy rains in the next 48 hours. Heavy downpour has also triggered waterlogging in several parts of the sea. Several trains are running late due to waterlogging on the train tracks. Mumbai is also likely to witness its highest tide of the season today. Alright, for more on this, I'm joined by India Today correspondents Mustafa and Saurabh Bakhtania. Mustafa, please give us more details. How is the situation right now and what is the advisory that the government has issued?
Yes, of course, Archana, as you were saying that Mumbai has seen a lot of rain since last night, and also currently we are at Marine Drive where the Mumbai is facing its season's highest high tide, which is 4.75 meters at 1.7 p.m. exactly. So as you can see, the force of this water is huge, and if Mumbai faces rains at the same point of time, there will be some problems of waterlogging. But though it's a Sunday and the rains have stopped for now, the Mumbaikars are breathing a relief, and there are families who have come out here to enjoy this weather because it is coming after a long summer, and it's a Sunday, so people are out here. We'll speak to some of them. Sir, कहाँ से आए आप?
हम आए हैं मुंबई से, अपना भुवनेश्वर
से। So आपको डर नहीं लग रहा? मतलब काफी पानी भरा हुआ है जगह जगह।
हम तो यहाँ पे हैप्पी हो गए, बहुत दिनों के बाद गर्मी थी और गर्मी से छुटकारा पाने के लिए अच्छी बारिश हुई। हम अपना दुकान संडे को चालू रखते हैं, मगर फिर भी आज बंद करके उसे फुल एंजॉय करके फैमिली, रिलेटिव्स एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ यहाँ पे फुल लुफ्त उठाना है।
तो मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं आप लोग? So that's the families who have come out here, and he's saying that he has shut his shop just to enjoy the rain at Marine Drive, which is considered to be very iconic, Archana.
All right, Saurabh there from Marine Drive. Let's also go to Mustafa there from Marine Drive. Let's also go to Saurabh Bakhtania, who's reporting from Bandra. Saurabh, the advisory is out. The Met Department has advised people not to venture near the sea. So what's happening around you? Please tell us more.
Well, there was an advisory, and there is an advisory that for the next 48 hours there will be heavy rain in Mumbai, but there is no stopping Mumbaikars. We are right now present at Mumbai's bandstand, and here you can see people have coming in large number, small children to the family. Everyone here is in Mumbai and enjoying the rains in Mumbai. Today is high tide, and it's almost 4.97 meters high tide, and it has been said as the season's highest high tide, and there is no stopping. There are cops over here, but people are enjoying the high tide. We'll speak to them. कैसे एंजॉय कर रहे हैं आप मुंबई के?
We are really enjoying a lot. बहुत मजा आ रहा है. पहली बारिश का एक तो संडे है, छुट्टी.
What high tide of this monsoon? We are waiting for this since long.
People have also come with their small children. We'll speak to them. कहाँ से आए आप?
हम लोग we are in Mumbai only, but हम लोग बॉम्बे की फर्स्ट बारिश का इंतजार कर रहे थे. We were staying in the Taj Lands yesterday, and luckily we are here on the Sunday, and we are enjoying a much, and my baby is literally enjoying well. With the Buddha also.
We are enjoying really well. Such a pleasant weather. Enjoying a lot.
So it was a very long summer, and after which Mumbai has received this monsoon, and you can see there is very high tide, and it is a bit risky, but people are coming in huge number. Here you can see most of the family members here in Mumbai. This is the Mumbai Scream area, Mumbai's bandstand. There are several celebrities stay in this area. There is Salman Khan's, Shah Rukh Khan's bungalow, and people are also going there clicking selfies, and with this beautiful high tide, people are here. We'll speak more to them. बहुत लंबे समय तक समर था और अब बारिश है. आप कैसा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं?
बहुत दिन का वेट के बाद ये आज मौसम आया है, जबकि लेट हो गया. मुंबई में इतना जल्दी पहले आ जाता है, 10 तारीख से शुरू हो जाता है. इस बार
डर नहीं लग रहा कि बारिश बहुत बड़ी हाई टाइड है, तो कैसे डर नहीं लग रहा?
नहीं, आज संडे है और हम तो बारिश का इंतजार ही कर रहे थे.
Since we have a off today, so Sunday, so enjoying a lot.
So here
Mumbaikars are waiting for entire year. पूरा साल वेट करते हैं हम बारिश के लिए.
So here people, you can say that people are enjoying this high tide, and there is no stopping them. It's a bit risky, but with advice they are enjoying it. Back to you, Archana.
We know how.
Alright, so there you see Mumbai Rains have made a comeback, and how, and like Mustafa and Saurav report from Bandra and Marine Drive, people are actually enjoying their Sunday, but there is an advisory. They have been cautioned, they have been asked to stay away because it's apparently the highest tide of the season. If I may come to you, Mustafa, because when monsoon season comes in Mumbai, I've lived there for almost 4 years, and I know that potholes are a big problem. They have been fatal, there have been casualties, people have died because of that. The traffic is a big problem, and day-to-day life comes to a halt. So is this time BMC prepared to tackle the potholes in Mumbai? First to you, Mustafa.
What we can say, Archana, at this point of time, that rains have not really come in. There have been showers, there have been heavy rains for a few days. The problems of pothole minutes in Mumbai comes when there is persistent and continuous rains, and that's when the potholes really come up and show. The BMC though claims that compared to last year they have made more concrete roads and the problems of potholes will not be there. At the same point of time, it will be only proven when the Mumbai sees some heavy showers, and then after that only we can verify the fact which they are claiming, that there are a lot many more concrete roads. But at the same point of time, there are spots where still there is waterlogging. There are spots where there are bad roads which one cannot deny. But because these heavy rains are happening on a Sunday, there is no traffic on the roads, there is no rail traffic. People don't have to go or turn up to work at these numbers in large numbers. So that is what can be considered as the relief. If I'll show you again the high tide which is currently going on at its peak, would have been worse if the rains would have continued in the parts of Thane and Mumbai. There was rain, there was some complaints of waterlogging which were coming in, but because now there is some restraint on the rains, there is relief for Mumbaikar at this point of time, and that's why people are turning out in the sea in spite of the warning which have been given during generally on the high tides. People are turning in, people are enjoying themselves because it being a weekend, they can make most of this weather like this only, Archana.
All right, and Saurav, if I may come to you, and there are people who are with you, if you can speak to those people while they're enjoying their Sundays, and on a day like this, do they think that this time the city is best prepared to tackle the pothole situation, and is Mumbai bracing itself? Not just Mumbai, but a lot of parts in Maharashtra, in fact across the country. But if we talk about Bandra and areas, is BMC preparing itself for potholes?
ये छोटा monkey है.
बोला अभी और हो रहा है थोड़ा सा.
Saurabh, if you can hear me, I was asking you that there are people around you. If you can speak to them and ask them that do they think, as the BMC claims that the city is prepared to tackle potholes, because we have seen in the past how these potholes have claimed a lot of lives, how they have wreaked havoc while they're enjoying their Sunday today. But it's going to be a tough time because the monsoon season has set in and potholes are going to be a big problem. So speak to people and ask them if they are if they are confident in the BMC that this time the situation will not be as bad as it has been all these years.
Yes. I'll speak to them. Every time BMC says that everything is fine, there will be no potholes, but many times in the past few years the people have lost life. So what do you think, how well this time BMC may be prepared?
Well, they shall construct road, like there shouldn't be much of potholes obviously, and then just people shall take precautions wherever they go, like there are high tides and also they shall take precautions.
And if they think that if they have seen any potholes in some areas, so they should basically put some caution areas over there and then make awareness that there are potholes over here. So they
but there is no stopping you from enjoying the rain.
No, not at all.
We are very fond of, and every year we come over here for this. Every year we don't want to lose this.
We play safe. We don't depend on BMC.
So here you can see, Archana, that people are enjoying. There's a lot of rain, but they have feelings that this year, yes. So they feel that this time BMC may have done something that people don't cost their life in this potholes this year.
All right, what a time to be in Mumbai right now. Thank you so much, Mustafa and Saurav, for that update. Both our reporters giving us live updates from Marine Drive and Bandra. Thank you so much.